Today, we're diving into the world of plant-based diets, exploring everything from their incredible health benefits to the science behind why they're so good for you. If you've ever wondered what a plant-based diet is all about, or if you're already a fan of this way of eating, you're in the right place. We'll unravel the mysteries of plant-based nutrition and reveal the top 10 reasons why you should consider adopting this lifestyle. From gut health to immune support, weight management, heart health, cancer prevention, brain function, and even increased energy levels, this video is your guide to unlocking the power of plant-based nutrition. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to make informed and healthy choices. Let's get started. Number 1. It's good for your gut. Plant-based diets tend to better support gut health and the microbiome, which science is continuing to tell us impacts many areas of health from immune system function to metabolism and mood, Jones says. This is largely due to the fiber and antioxidants, compounds that protect your cells from damage, found in plants. Since plant foods are the only source of fiber and fermentable carbohydrates known as prebiotics, and they offer tens of thousands of phytochemical antioxidants, the bacteria in the lower digestive tract are better supported when diets are rich in whole plant foods, Jones says. Your digestive system is home to about 100 trillion bacteria, both good and bad. And while everyone has a unique microbiota, certain collections of bacteria are known to be found in healthy people, per Harvard Medical School. The latest research suggests that certain healthy gut bacteria are linked to lower susceptibility to rheumatoid arthritis and offer a possible treatment or prevent inflammation that contributes to fatty plaque buildup in arteries. Number 2. It supports your immune system. 80% of our immune system is in our gastrointestinal tract, and it's good for the immune system to have a healthy microbiome, says Lauren Graff, RD. The best way to do that is to feed the good bacteria. A lot of the fiber found in plant foods like bananas and artichokes serves as prebiotics, which are food for probiotics. Plant foods are also filled with nutrients that can help strengthen your immune system. Just a few of the many helpful vitamins and minerals found abundantly in fruits and vegetables include vitamin C. A 200 mg daily dose vitamin C appeared to shorten the duration of cold symptoms by 8% in adults and 14% in children, which equates to about 1 day less of sickness, per a January 2013 review in the Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews. One large bell pepper contains 233 milligrams of vitamin C. Vitamin E, found in high-fat plant foods like peanuts, sunflower seeds, hazelnuts, and almonds. Vitamin E is part of nearly 200 biochemical reactions in your body and acts as an antioxidant to help your body fight infection. Per the Cleveland Clinic. Zinc. This mineral has antiviral properties and is found in plant foods such as beans, nuts, and whole grains. It has well-established effects on the immune system and even has the potential to be a supportive treatment in people with COVID-19, per an August 2020 review in Maturitas. A zinc deficiency can result in immune dysfunction and increase your susceptibility to infection. Vitamin A, known as an infection fighter, you can get vitamin A from both animal sources and plant carotenoids. Aim for colorful plant foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, butternut squash, pumpkin, cantaloupe, and dark green leafy vegetables, the Cleveland Clinic recommends. Number 3. It helps lower inflammation. You've likely seen powders and potions that tout antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, but it's really best to get your antioxidants through a plant-based diet. When we get our nutrients from whole foods, they tend to be more bioavailable than supplements, Maya Feller, RD, CDN, says. Plus, when we eat whole foods, in general, we don't worry about toxicity. Antioxidants are important because they can prevent or delay some types of cell damage. While diets high in vegetables and fruits, great sources of antioxidants, have been found to be healthy, research has not shown that antioxidant supplements are beneficial in preventing disease, per the National Institutes of Health, NIH. Your body naturally forms free radicals, highly unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, a process that leads to cell damage when you exercise, digest food, smoke, or are exposed to sunlight or air pollution, according to the NIH. This oxidative stress is believed to play a role in a variety of diseases such as cancer, heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and even eye disease like age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. When we think about lowering inflammation with a plant-based diet, it really leads back to gut health, Feller says. The gut is involved in managing inflammatory properties, and plants have fiber, polyphenol, and phytonutrients that all help with reducing inflammation. Number 4. It helps you maintain a healthy weight. A large body of evidence shows that fruits and vegetables can help you lose weight. Eating more vegetables and fruits promotes long-term weight stability or weight loss in women, per a June 2020 review in Nutrients. This may be because the fiber in fruits and vegetables helps you to feel satiated faster, and because veggies and fruit are low in fat and calories. It's worth noting that the Hass Avocado Board funded this review, but it's still notable because it specifically looked at how higher vegetable and fruit intake affects weight loss largely in women and was the first review to do so. The review included one prospective study that found the top 5 fruits for weight loss were blueberries, apples, pears, prunes, strawberries, and avocados, while the top 5 non-legume vegetables for weight loss were broccoli, peppers, summer squash, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. What's more, shifting to a plant-based, low-fat diet is linked to increasing the body's metabolism to the point of reducing excess body fat, per a November 2020 study in JAMA Network opened by the end of the trial. The plant-based group had an average 18.7% increase in after-meal calorie burn and lost about 18 pounds, as well as saw a decrease in insulin resistance and body fat, particularly visceral fat, a dangerous type of fat stored around internal organs. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, recommends eating more fruits and vegetables as a healthy way to lose or maintain weight. The water and fiber in fruits and vegetables add volume, so you can eat the same amount of food for fewer calories while still feeling satiated when you focus on produce. Number 5. It keeps your heart healthy. Going plant-based helps you replace unhealthy saturated and trans fats with plant-based fats that contain heart-protective polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, Feller says. And while limiting animal foods can reduce your cholesterol levels, eating more fiber, particularly soluble fiber, actually helps to bind with cholesterol in our gut and pull it out of our bodies, Graf says. It naturally lowers your cholesterol. A plant-based diet is tied to a lower risk of diabetes, and diabetes and heart disease often go hand in hand, per the CDC. If you have diabetes, you are twice as likely to have a stroke or heart disease than someone without diabetes, and at a younger age. Thank you for joining us on this plant-powered journey today. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest content. If you have any questions, comments, or your own experiences with plant-based nutrition to share, please do so in the comment section below. We love hearing from our viewers. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth.